Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Going on, guys, we're here with the H100. We're gonna get it out for its first test run here. We got a pretty cool little pond here that we can test run in, about 5 minutes from my house. First thing I'm gonna do is open up the battery cover. I've got the battery in there. A nice tight fit. And as far as I know, all we have to do is just connect the battery and then we're good. I don't believe there's a power switch or anything like that. So the battery is connected. We're just going to put the cover back on quickly here. Make sure everything's on proper. And as far as I know, all we have to do is set the boat in the water now. And that activates the boat. Turn the transmitter on. The transmitter's got lots of nice telemetry on there, including your boat telemetry with the battery life. And we are connected. And here we go. Oh, fantastic. And good range. About, what was it, about 40 feet away from me there. Sticks on the transmitter do feel a little sticky, but not too bad. A pretty good rooster tail out the backside there. I think eventually I'm going to throw a LiPo in this and see if I can get a little more power out of it, but straight out of the box it's not too bad. And it's nice and steady. It doesn't seem like it's going to want to flip at all with hard turns. Let's throw it back in the water. Oh, we're upside down. Now this is something I didn't really read. Let's see, we gotta go up. I'm gonna try the upside down or else I'm not getting it back. There we go. Easy to turn. Very easy to get right side up there. This thing turns sharp. Oh, we crashed it into the weeds there. Good thing we were nice and close to land. a fantastic little boat, especially for the price. just trimming it up a bit. Going a little off center. And checking out the reverse. There we go. And we got our low battery warning coming up now, so that's going to be about it for this. We'll get it back in here so we don't have to go swimming. All right, guys, that's about it for today. We're done with the H100. Fantastic little brush boat here. Had a great time with it, and for the price, it was definitely worth picking this one up. And for my first time driving an RC boat, I had a blast. Anyways, guys, make sure you give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you head out. And remember, don't be a stranger. See you on the next one. See ya.